This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Jill Turner. Less than bedroom greater than in Bill Foxworthy. Nature at its finest. Nearly 4 acres of trees, rolling terrain, and a private lake. 56 by 64 Amish-built pole barn that could be completed into whatever your needs. Windows and doors in place. Upper level of pole barn has potential for a living area and is partially floored. Boat dock with adjacent floating pontoon that could be pulled behind a trolling boat through the lake. No motor boats allowed on lake. Take care when entering the pole barn as there are loose bricks and stones on ground. The sellers and listing agent are not responsible for accidents. For more information, review the details below or contact Jill Turner. Less than bedroom greater than in Bill Foxworthy at 317-446-7171.